If you are tired of making money online, are you looking for a fun way to earn cash? In this video, I will show you how to earn $2 per ad watched for free. To get started, go to the Google search bar and type surf.b and click on the first link that appears. You can go directly to this website. Earn money from this particular app as our tool to generate income online through the simple task of watching ads, and the best part is that you don't need to make an initial investment as we take a closer look. And you'll find that the minimum withdrawal amount is only 3 cents. What's even more attractive is swift withdrawal time for payment. You can expect to receive your earnings within 24 hours before you eagerly sign up and start this money-making journey. So without this knowledge, you will be able to access the important details that are critical to success with the method you just learned about, which requires no payment on your part, and the platform offers a variety of alternative payment methods, which I will cover shortly. Or by downloading their app on your smartphone, it extends to different devices such as your laptop, tablet, PC, or smartphone. And the process is super simple and no prior experience is required. All you have to do is register on the website and install them. After installing the extension is in place and seamless. It displays banner ads on the website you visit. Now I will explain to you with an example. I already installed the extension, so when I go to YouTube, a banner ad appears on this platform. At the bottom, actually, you get paid for every ad that appears. Scroll down, you will find information about other people's earnings. For example, someone recently $1 earned, while another has earned $4. This list expands further, and this is a glimpse into the earning potential. To get to know you better and you can continue. Scroll down. Now the first step is to create your account. Go to the top of the page and click on create an account. Simply fill in the required information, username, email, and password. After doing this and confirmation your email, press register. You will then be redirected to the page where I am a user. Answer the question about previous experience with similar website. Yes, I have experience, and click on thank you. You can undoubtedly increase your income with the more time you spend on this platform. This opportunity is especially suitable for beginners because it does not require special skills. In an addition, way to earn money on this platform include watch video, although if you are interested, just double click on a video. This will not be our main discussion in this video. To open it in a new tab, watch the video for only 20 seconds means to click on the specified icon and wait for about 20 records. And if you just got 30 seconds, keep in mind that your earnings can vary based on your geographical location. Go to the extension section and process to install the extension for Google Chrome or any of the other supported browsers. There is an impressive user section with over 80,000 users and around 1,200 positive reviews. Simply click add and then add to complete the program. It is worth noting that surfing is relatively new and its popularity has not yet reached its peak. Take advantage of this exceptional opportunity before it gets saturated. After you install the extension, your job is basically to advertise ads of the sites you visit. it will appear, and if you want to see an ad, you can set it by clicking on the location icon. You will definitely not win $1,000, but you can win and earn free money. The best part is the opportunity, the worldwide available to start withdraw. By entering the viral section, you can earn more by accessing the advertising banners of your affiliate, which will give you 5% commission from the income of affiliate companies. You can easily share your referral links on social networks link Facebook, and thus you can increase your income on this platform.